Fortunate questions.
Here comes the question.
Ooh, I love fortunate questions.
Those are good ones today.
Yeah.
I heard that's.
Did you hear it?
Yeah.
Boom.
Oh.
And it came out.
All right, what do we got?
Yes. Woohoo. Hey, guess what? Fort Collins, Colorado.
Okay.
Carl.
We don't have a lot of
Carl?
Carl.
Yeah, Carl with a K.
Okay. Oh, that's Carl.
Carl. Hey, we know a Carl.
We do.
I have a cousin named Carl.
Anyways,
okay.
It takes you a long time to get these questions. People already signed up.
I digress. It says, it does not look like you guys use a tripod very often, comma, why?
A what? We are notoriously bad for tripod usage.
But they go with us every time we go somewhere. There's a
carry
tripod
with us in every car that we take, every trip we take.
2 of them. We each carry
everything
one.
we film, tripod.
Yep.
It's always with us. We are 100% dedicated to carrying our tripod with us.
That's right.
We never use that
Never.
for photography. We're just not big landscape guys. First of all, a lot of ours is portrait work, and we're doing environmental portrait, right? We're outside. We don't do studio work for the most part with
That's right.
that kind of portrait. We do other studio work. But tripods, I feel limited when I use my tripod.
Yeah, I feel confined.
Here's the thing. A lot of these cameras, one of our other questions we had was about lenses, right? And we were talking about the image stabilization of the modern lens. Like, this is the Tamron 24-70 G2 lens with 5 stops of image stabilization in the lens. Like, I can handhold this thing to 1/8 of a second and it's still sharp. I've got pretty good handholding skills, but still, like, even the little bit of jitter, it still does that. And with that, I don't know. I don't.
Yeah, I totally agree. I think that
I'm not a pixel peeper.
No.
So that doesn't really make a big difference.
and the stuff that we're doing it is like real life stuff that we're delivering to clients, and we just don't have that problem.
Mm-hmm.
You know, there are times, man, I'm trying to think how many times this year I needed a tripod apart from shooting a landscape, shooting a person. There's been like one time I can think of, and that was playing at sunset, trying to drag that shutter and doing something creative with off-camera flash. But
So video, we use a lot of tripod.
oh, definitely, yeah.
Just, stabilize the camera so it's not shaky. But for photography, I wish I had a tripod the other night. I was out at the Golden Gate Bridge at 10:30
But again, landscape.
p.m. I balanced it on a little stump thing, but I still.
You still got a nice
You know where my
sharp
tripod
photo.
was?
Trunk of the car.
It was in the trunk.
Yeah.
So I could have used it, but
It's too far to walk back to the car.
So it was like 17 feet.
Yeah.
But anyways.
Hey, that's a great question because that is times are changing. It's that image stabilization has really changed.
Yeah. So Carl, use a tripod if you want to. We're not gonna go there.
Yeah.
We're just not. But thanks, Carl. A great question. For that, you are going to get the coveted Chopstick Guys kit that you've all seen and love and asked for. It includes the 2 chopstick sets, the wasabi bowls, 2 fortune cookies, and the chopsticks rest. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or just want to send us a nice love fest, enter it in the comments below. But if you have a question and you want to win the Chopstick Guys kit, send us a question.
That's right.
And don't forget, please,
Say sushi.